Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in life, opportunities present themselves every so often. It is quite a reach to reach an opportunity. That is why the payoff of an opportunity is always so great. So when an opportunity comes, it is called a purple patch. A purple patch, P-U-R-P-L-E patch, a purple patch. So now, by act or omission, these two ladies, Summer Aku and the Madonna with the big boobies, have happened upon this purple patch, but now they're trying to shut it down. Now I refuse to allow the beef between Summer Aku and Obodo Oyinbo to die down, because there's still currencies to be made, and by currencies I mean gains, not just pounds and pence. So there's still gains left in it. There's still plentiful to be gotten out of this beef, and the rest of us, the followers, are not sufficiently satiated yet. So there's still hunger there. So I refuse again, on behalf of myself and on behalf of the people who are vested in this beef, that we refuse to allow this beef to die. So I am hereby calling out Summer Aku and Obodo Oyinbo to release these tracks on each other. So now Obodo Oyinbo was the first one to fire this off. She fired the opening salvo. So now Summer Aku has returned salve. So now the ball is now in Obodo Oyinbo's court. Now Obodo Oyinbo, I am calling you out to release a diss track on Summer Aku. I'm willing to send you the beats. I'm even happy to write you the lyrics, and I'm sure your kids will teach you how to rap. If it's funny, that's fine. But now we have to take this to the next level, and these tracks are the natural sequence of this beef. This is a tradition in YouTube. So now I'm calling you out, Obodo Oyinbo. I'm calling you out to release a diss track on Summer Aku, so that Summer Aku can also get into her jeans and pop a few moves. And somehow I'll send you some beats as well if you want to do your diss track too. So now let's take this to the next level. Let's escalate this beef. Let's have some diss tracks being released. And please let me get a lot of backlash for this video. So a lot of hate comments in my comment section. Please call me names. And please call me original names. If you, I don't mind abuse, but please make it interesting. At least make me laugh whilst you're insulting me. So I want genuine and original insults in my comment section. So I'll leave you here and I'll meet you there, and I'll say peace.